yesterday. We got a huge amount of work done.
He actually got my dingo. I ran a dingo. We actually put a dingo. My son's down there working with the dingo underneath this house. So the house is basically sitting up on the stilts we put in yesterday. I hear a rooster. Yesterday we put it on stilts, so it's holding up very nicely. So the great thing about this house is the customer's not only getting a new foundation, but they're also getting a level house because it had sunk like 3 inches. So if you want to go inside, we'll walk inside and I'll show you how it looks like from inside.
We found snakes in here, so Kevin might be a little scared.
No, they're all gone. My guys got all rid of all the snakes. Alright, so we got to take a lot of these, since we got all this carbon monoxide here from this machine, we've got a few working here, we have these 2 manhole blowers. They actually blow a ton of fresh air in, and it allows us to keep working. Are you hot, Rodney? You good? So you Jasmine, you all right?
I'm great.
All right, so that just tells you right there that the fans actually work. So what we did, Rodney and I yesterday put in, and Jason put in these supports on this wall. We took this block out. So this block's out now. We're actually taking all that whole back wall out, along with here, and then we'll fill this full of concrete in different places to put some piers in. But we got to replace this outside, or add to this outside rim joist, which is now an inside beam that they never did properly in the first place. But somebody came in here and they put this brick column in, the only one in the house. But when they did that, it's about 3/4 inch higher than it should be. So we're actually going to take this out and put a proper support in when we get to that point. As you can see right now, my son's this is Caleb. He's actually my salesperson. He's also over all the foundation stuff, right under my supervision. So he's cleaning this out right now. Once this is cleaned out, we're going to pour a 4-foot floating footer. Okay. So while we do a 4-foot floating footer instead of a 1 foot or 2 foot, the biggest reason we do that is because we had to dig out here to get it out in the first place. So it's just going to have a really massive footer. The ground's really hard. Does it need that? Not on this particular one. Don't really need that. But in order to get the first one in, we got to do the second. All right. So all this wall's taken out. As we're digging this thing out and stuff, we learn things that are different, and we have to be able to adjust. That's where experience comes in. So on this wall here, if we take this wall totally out, it's so close to the front foundation, I'm afraid it's going to fall in. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in about a foot in, cut the concrete out, pour a 2-foot footer here, and we'll put some block in, and then we'll backfill it again with right there. On this wall here, since we're further away, we're able to actually come inside the slab, which you can't see because it's dirty, inside the slab and pour a footer and put our block here, and then backfill it, and we're good. All right, so that's the project we're still working on here in I think it's Alcoa or Maryville. I think it's Maryville. Is Maryville? Yeah, it's Maryville. So
Alcoa around the corner.
if y'all like this video, or y'all thought it was really interesting or anything, please like and share it. Go to my YouTube page, Kevin Jarday, InstaDri. Like that and subscribe to our page, please. We need all the subscriptions we can get, and we'll always continue to have extra footage and stuff. I'm one of the very few owner-operators that actually comes out here and does a lot of the work themselves and definitely oversees everything that's going on. So Kevin Jarday with InstaDri. I hope this is great for you. Thanks.